Hi, so I'm here at the McAfee MPower Conference 2017 in Las Vegas, and we've had a really good, busy session here. Today's day 2, and I wanted to show you our Infoblox booth and the demo we have that talks about the integrations with all the different McAfee products. I'm going to go over to our product expert. And this is Troy Hager. He's our integrations and business development expert, and he's going to show you a demo of Infoblox and McAfee.
Hi, today we're going to talk about how our new integration with Active Trust Cloud and McAfee's Gateway product works. We have a simple diagram here I'll just walk you through the steps on. So essentially, what the main use of this is either a cloud-based network DNS and web filtering protection, or a roaming user, or remote offices, branch offices. You could also use it from your local network as a cloud service. So the feature here is basically to take Infoblox Active Trust Cloud and couple it with McAfee's Web Gateway product to provide an enhanced kind of double protection, if you will, for DNS protection combining with web filtering, web gateway protection. So we're going to walk through how that works here on the diagram. So here you can see we've got your endpoint or remote user computer that's configured here through receiving DNS requests. It's going to work with the local Infoblox DNS requests up to our Active Trust Cloud here in the green in the upper left. First, Active Trust Cloud will check the DNS request against our block list and filtering and our data exfiltration and DNS security protection suite. Should the DNS be requesting a bad location or doing suspicious activity, based on your policy settings, Infoblox can drop that DNS request completely or pass it over if based on the policy. If it's suspicious and not blockable but needs further checking, we can pass and redirect that request over the McAfee Web Gateway, thus kind of double checking the particular DNS request. If the request here is, we have an example of a request to show. I'm going to fast forward the video a little bit here. Is it playing? Oh, there we go. So what this is illustrating here is the endpoint is making a request to xxx.com, trying to resolve that domain. This is being checked up first by Infoblox, and because of the classification here being pornography minimal risk, that was set up in the policy of our Active Trust Cloud as a category of lower risk potential, but still needing to be further verified by McAfee's Web Gateway. So you'll see that we would redirect this traffic through the Gateway product, which further checked it and came back and gave a web category block on xxx.com. Should this have been malwarec2.com, then Infoblox would have dropped it without forwarding and redirecting it to the web gateway and protected the user and client as well. So in summary, just in wrap up, is we take a DNS request from a roaming or office remote user and forward it first through the Infoblox DNS firewall in the cloud, Active Trust Cloud product, and then depending on the policy configuration by the customer, it can be secondarily, for lesser degrees of threat, suspicious activity can be secondarily passed through the McAfee Web Gateway for additional verification.